Hi! Today I gonna introduce you a gacha-gacha which you should do in Japan. The gacha-gacha is a toy vending machine which has a unique aspect to sell old and exclusive toys. You can never get one in shops, and the most part of the toys is limited time offer. I'm sorry, but I can't let you see the most unique toys I think as live for it. Then I'm to let you share photo. If you want one like that, there may be one of series. As far as I know, the latest version is Series 3. Then you can get one with any luck. Thank you.